So hi guys, welcome to my channel QA Warriors, and today we are going to see the clauses in SQL. So there are generally four type of clauses: where, group by, order by, and having. And this is the most important topic which is generally asked in the manual testing or database or ETL interviews to check your concept in the SQL. So what we are going to see is that first we will see all the type of clauses in SQL in details, and then we will see that how what we are going to answer to the interviewer when the question is asked. So let's start this video. So first we will start with the where clause. So where clause is used to filter the records. So it's similar to the filter that you use in the Excel, Microsoft Excel, where you put the filter and then select the criteria and then you get the result. So it's just similar like the Microsoft Excel. So here in the query, what you need to do is you have to provide the filter criteria. For example, in this query, we are trying to fetch the rows from the customer table where the country we need is Mexico. Okay, so now this query will fetch us all the records from the customer table where the country is Mexico. Now second is group by. So what this group by is going to do. So group by, it will just arrange all the identical data into groups. So let me give you a live example that if I ask you to create a group of manual tester and ETL tester, automation tester, performance tester. So what you will do, you will segregate all the names in a column. You'll write all the names in a column as per their technology in which they are working. If they are working in ETL, then you will put them into the ETL testing group. If they are automation tester, then you will put it into the automation tester group. And let's and it is also followed by the where clause. So let's see an example. Now here you can see that I have written in the query like select company, count of star from product, group by company. So what this query is going to do, it will fetch two columns. One is the company and second is the number of rows. So count of star, what it does, it will fetch you the number of rows present in the table. Now from product is the table name, group by company. So here, while using the group by, there is a very important thing that you have to notice is the columns that you are providing after the select statement, that is the company and the count of star. So you have to make sure that you are providing the same column number after the group by. If you provide any other company that you have not mentioned after the select statement, this group by statement is not going to work. So now here you can see in the output, like I'm getting for the company 1, there are total 5 records. For company 2, there are total 6 records. In company 3, there are total 4 records. Now let's see on the order by. So what the order by does. So order by will sort your record in ascending or descending order. So whatever uh, sorting criteria you are selecting, on the basis of that it will sort your records. Also, if you are not supplying any of the sorting criteria, so it will by default sort it into the ascending order. And if you want to sort it into ascending or descending order, you have to use the keyword like DESC and ASC. So now you can see here in the example I have taken, select star from customer, order by name. So here by default what it will do, it will sort your records into ascending order. Now next is having clause. Having clause, what it will do, as you have seen that where clause, where what it does, it will filter your records the similar way having will filter your groups. So this is the main difference, and it is one of the most important interview question which is asked in companies like Harman and also in database testing like Empower Retirements, JP Morgan. So there they will ask you the difference between the having and the where clause. So the answer is that where is used to filter the records and having is used to filter the groups. So now let's see. Specify is used to specify a search condition for a group. This is what I told. And having is used in a group by clause. If you're not using group by clause, then you can use having function like a where clause. So now let's see how it is used with the example. Select company, comma count of star. Count of star again, it is used to fetch the number of rows from product masked. This is the table name. Group by company having count of star greater than 2. So what this query is going to do, this query will fetch the records, that is the two column company and the number of rows only if that company has more than two records. So here in the output you can see that this has fetched the result like company 1 it has 5 records and company 2 it has 6 records. So this is what we uh, got through the having clause. Now, this is the summary of all the clauses, and this is what you have to answer to the interviewer, and you have to be very clear and precise with the clauses of SQL. So let me summarize it once again. So where clause it is used to filter the records, order by it is used to sort the records, group by it is used to group the records with identical data, and having it is used to filter the groups. So hope you might have learned the techniques to answer the clauses and the questions asked on the clauses of SQL. So here we are wrapping up the session, and I will come up with a new session very soon. So please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also share with your team members who want to learn about how to crack the interviews. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.